Yo, what is up, y'all? We're back here with another banger right now. And I just got to tell y'all about the BMW. Now, we're getting right into it because I don't got time to be chatting. Some of y'all do be complaining that I be talking too much. Anyways, the BMW, we got the E90 sedan, the 3 Series, the 325 XI outside sitting right now. I actually put a tarp over it just because it's been snowing a lot lately. And what am I doing with the car, y'all? Let me tell y'all why I bought the car originally, so y'all can know what I'm doing with it. So originally, me and my cameraman, right? So I was gonna buy the car for myself. Not gonna lie, I was gonna buy the car, fix the car up. I started seeing some videos. I'll put some people like screenshots, like some pages that I saw, channels and so. Cause I don't mind plugging them. They do some really good content. I saw like they were like, yo, they were making some good 3 Series content. And I don't want to mess up nobody's names right now. But anyways, y'all saw their content. I was like, yo, this would be pretty cool. I think it's pretty fun. I like it. It's a nice build. It's not going to cost me too much. I mean, granted, the car's not starting right now, and I kind of had a feeling what the problem was. So I was like, I could probably learn that in the process. I think the problem was like a timing problem, I believe. It could potentially be a timing problem. Somebody mentioned it too in the comments, like the reason why it's not starting is because it's like it's a timing problem, so it's never going to start because it's not going to know, like, oh, I guess it doesn't know. It's not timed, it's not timed correctly. I don't know how cars go out of timing, honestly. I don't understand that process just yet. I understand it for like the G's more because like, the timing case cover problem, you gotta know about your own car. But other cars, I don't really know how that works. But anyways, so I bought it for that reason. So I originally was gonna buy it for that reason, right? But then my cameraman, and he needs a car, and he wants to get into cars and stuff. And I was like, this could be pretty cool. We could work on it together. We could fix it up, and just bring it back to like stock glory. And then he could have it, and then he can modify how he wants to afterwards. So, and he was talking about he was the bro the G35 if I would give it to him and stuff. And I was like, and I didn't really want to give it to G35, not because I didn't want to, but because like the problems I had in the past, that I didn't want to give him those problems, like those things ever came back up, and I wanted to make sure it was good those problems, So that's why I kept the G35 for myself, and like I had more of a connection with that car. But the BMW, I was like, yo, we go half and half on it. So we went half and half on the car. We were supposed to, work on the car together, build it up. Then, like, I didn't tell him this part, but I was just going to say, hey, man, just keep it. I mean, like, we go half and I mean, granted, like, I was going to put money into it myself, but not to say I got it like that. I don't want y'all to think I'm balling out of control now. But I was going to do it because, like, his car been crapping out on him, not going to lie. He be struggling. So I was like, listen, bro, you know what I'm saying? Like, you my bro. We've been together in college since freshman year. I'm a senior right now. You know what I'm saying? Locked in, bro. Yeah, and I was like, I can't. Like, I be feeling bad sometimes. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, yeah, that's not the point. He doing good now. He got his car fixed up and shit. So now he doing good. But unfortunately, y'all, I gotta be real. I ain't no shade, nothing, nobody. But I gotta be real. He wasn't really as serious as I was about the BMW, bro. He didn't see it. He didn't see the vision. He didn't really like feel like, I personally think he just didn't want to do the work, bro. Yeah, that's why he didn't want to do the work for that car. You know what I'm saying? He didn't want that car that much. If it was something else that he really wanted, he probably would have put the work in. But he also didn't know that I was gonna give it to him as well. But so right now, y'all, as the car sits outside, somebody left a good comment in the last my last video. Was like, yo, park that thing out and send it to the scrapper. Not gonna lie to y'all. I'm trying to see somebody wants to buy the car right now. I put it up on Facebook Marketplace. I said what the problems are and stuff. I said as much as I know. Like I haven't diagnosed it myself. So to be honest, I don't really know if the timing is the problem. Because when the guy told me about it, like the person I bought it from told me the timing was a problem. He took it to another shop and they said it wasn't timing, it's something else. But to be honest with you, I just didn't do the work on that car because I didn't start it because like I wasn't gonna pour a lot of money into it. But at the same time, I got the G35 because you guys don't know. As I did mention, I bought the G35 and the BMW on literally the same week. I think they bought the G35 like 2 days before I bought the BMW. So, bought them both the same week. And I was like, I knew I was going to do the G35 first just because it was easier to, work on and stuff, get it running and everything, and it's more accessible. So yeah, that's what happened to the BMWs. Right now, it's like I said, it is outside. I might part it out. Not gonna lie, y'all. We might just part it out because we did still go half and half on it. You know what I'm saying? So I might just part it out, give him, you know, we split the profits on the parts and everything, and we actually will still make a pretty good money. The interior is like mint in that car. Surprisingly, like the interior, y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to you, the interior is crazy good for a 2006 interior, and it's a blacked out interior. That's crazy. Taillights is pretty good. I might just clear up the headlights, you know what I'm saying, do some little parts here and there, and then take the steering wheel out, maybe take some airbags out, like take out the important things that are gonna cost, like, you know what I'm saying, interior, taillights. It has the shocks. What shocks are those? Whatever those expensive Bilstein shocks and them and stuff. So I might take all that stuff out, send that thing to the scrapper, boys. Get like what, $400 for the shell. Sell all the parts, you know what I'm saying, $300 headlights, $400. Well, I don't know these prices, but $200 headlights, $200 taillights. Selling the steering wheel for $150, airbags $150 for all of them. You know what I'm saying? A full interior like $600. I don't know honestly I don't know the prices of that stuff, how much it should be, but I might just do that, y'all. Take the money out of that. You might just see me in a new car. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Anyways, y'all, thank y'all for tuning into this video. Small little video. I just want to catch up on the update so y'all know why I bought that car, what's going on with it. Anyways, y'all, let me know y'all thoughts down below. If you guys think I should fix the car, you guys just say, like, yo, don't give that one a second life. You know, I like the second life thing for some cars. Like y'all see I did with the G35. If y'all don't know, actually, my G37, when I actually bought that, I actually got that car really in a good condition, and unfortunately got in an accident, so then I had to bring that car back to life. So I don't know, the bring back life thing has just been fun to me. I'd like this with some cars, but this one might just be a little bit too far gone. Anyways, y'all let me know down in the comments below. Thank y'all for tuning in. Peace.